Too Much Noise by Noni. One day, Sringeri Srinivas set out for the cattle fair with his best cows. They had to go on the new national highway. The cars and trucks had very loud horns. Ponn, Ponn, Pop. The cows did not like the noise at all. They forced Sringeri Srinivas to take them back home. But the noise stayed inside Sringeri Srinivas's head and came back home with him. Even the sounds that Sringeri Srinivas heard daily suddenly became too loud for him. The frogs, the koyals, the cows, the tiger. Why were they so noisy? Poor Sringeri Srinivas. He only wanted silence. He shouted at the children if they talked loudly. Everyone tried to help. The children played cricket quietly. The cows did not moo anymore. Yet Sringeri Srinivas was not happy. "I will go away from this noisy place," he declared one morning. He walked away from his village and reached a new town, which was even noisier. He met a young man wearing headphones, who seemed very happy in spite of all the honking. "Aha! This is just what I need," he said. He bought a big pair of headphones. No more noise. Now, when Sringeri Srinivas gets very angry at the cars or the frogs, he just puts on his headphones and listens to some quiet music. But he still has to take his cows to the cattle fair along the noisy highway. Maybe his cows need headphones too.